Ciao everybody! So I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial for you. This is my first day that I just got into Paris, so I'm going to try and do like a little Parisian look. Let's go. Alright, so my first step is I did my eyebrows, and that was just a mixture of some pens that I have that are running out. So I used the Anastasia brow pen, and then also some of this Urban Decay brow blade. And unfortunately here in Europe they discontinued Urban Decay, so I'm not really able to get another one, which I'm super frustrated about. That's why I got this, and it's already out. Alright, next up we're going to do some foundation with the Sephora Airbrush Mist. And they also don't have this in Europe either, so I'm going to have to switch foundations pretty soon. But we're just going to spray this right on. I'm going to go ahead and contour with this Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. Alright, now I'm going to wet my beauty blender and go ahead and blend that. Alright, so I'm just going to like lay a little base on my eyelids. We're not really going to do a color, it's just going to be like plain base. So I'm using the Adelaine Morin Tarte palette. I use this Adelangels, Adelangels color right here. Alright, so as you can see, it really looks like nothing, but that's the point for this look. So mascara, we're not going to do any eyeliner. And for this mascara, I'm still using the Wild Lash by Urban Decay. Alright, so a little close-up action of these lashes. I'm going to just go ahead and put on some blush because I forgot my freaking setting powder. Woohoo! Wrong brush. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get this Bare Minerals powder, and it's shade Medium Beige 12. We're just going to go ahead and go over the parts that I didn't do blush on. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a second before I fully blend. Just grab this Stella Bright Eye Brightener and just go ahead and put that in the corner of my eyes so I give it some more depth. Alright, I'm going to also put on some lipstick. This is Chanel brand, and it's shade Amour. Go ahead and blend out that powder. And I believe that completes the look. So it's just supposed to be pretty basic with the lipstick. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. Ignore my broken nails, but please stay tuned for the next video and comment what you'd like to see next. And this is